Went wrong error in Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. Roger Starter Tar 1. Restart the game in PC. Close the game completely. Restart your computer. Launch the game again. Check if the error is fixed. Narvin Hubbard 2. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to your game library. Right-click the game. Select Properties Manage. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for repair process. On Nerver 3, run the game as administrator. Right-click Game Shortcut. Select Run as Administrator. Allow permissions if prompted. Launch the game again. And 4, check internet connection. Make sure internet is stable. Restart your router. Disable VPN or proxy. Retry connecting to the game. 5, update graphics drivers. Press Windows X. Open Device Manager. Expand display adapters. Right-click GPU. Select Update Driver. Restart PC after update. 6, disable overlay applications. Disable Discord overlay. Turn off Xbox Game Bar. Close MSI Afterburner Rivatuner. Relaunch the game. Now turn off 7. Install DirectX and Visual C++. Download latest DirectX runtime. Install Visual C+ redistributables. Restart your computer. Launch the game again. 8, delete temporary cache files. Press Windows R. Type 10%. Delete temporary files. Empty recycle bin. Restart your PC. 9, disable antivirus temporarily. Open antivirus software. Temporarily disable protection. Launch the game. Add game folder to antivirus exclusions if needed. Nard 10, reinstall the game. Uninstall Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. Restart your PC. Reinstall the game fresh. Launch after installation completes.